अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, हमारी बुक में यूनिट है द ह्यूमन बॉडी। चैप्टर है बोन्स एंड मसल्स। बोन्स एंड मसल्स। आवर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ बोन्स एंड मसल्स. Bones and muscles work together. They help the body to move, work and play. Move, work and play. Bones. Bones are hard and tough. They are hard and tough. T-O-U-G. Tough. If you press your wrist, you will feel the hard bone. Some bones are big and some are small. Some bones are big and some are small. Big bones like leg bone, arm bone. Small bones, they are big bones, and small bones include finger bone. All kinds of bones are present in our body. There are 206 bones. 206 bones in our body. All the bones together form the skeleton. All the bones together called skeleton. The skeleton gives shape, strength and support to our body. It gives shape, strength and support. Without the skeleton, our body will be like jelly, because skeleton is not present. If the skeleton is not present, our body look like jelly. It will have no shape, because skeleton give us shape. The skeleton also protects the soft inner parts of our body like brain, heart and lungs. Skeleton protects our body, inner parts of our body. We do not have bones in the tongue, eyelids and earlobes. Do not have bones in tongue, eyelids and earlobes. Joints. We can move different parts of our body because our bones are joined together at many places. These places are called joints. This is elbow joint. You can see in your book page 36 joints: neck joint, elbow joint, wrist joint, hip joint, knee joint, ankle joint. And this is the skeleton of our body. These are different joints. You should draw in your notebooks or art pad. Muscles. Bones cannot move on their Bones cannot move if the muscles are not present. If the muscles are not present, bones cannot move. Bones move with the help of muscles. Bones move with the help of muscles which are attached to them. Muscles are attached to bones. If you press your palm, you will feel the soft flesh. If you press your palm, you feel soft flesh under your skin. These are muscles. There are more than 600 muscles in our body. Page 37. You should read and fill in the blanks. All the bones together form the dash. Bones are joined at dash. Bones move with the help of dash. And the posture is the position in which you keep your body when you sit, stand or walk. You must always keep your back straight. Correct posture keeps your body in proper shape. Let us learn about some rules for correct postures while sitting, while standing, while walking. Some points to remember and then exercise. Exercise is solved in your notes. Exercise with question answer. Dear students, attempt this exercise on your book. Learn from notes. Thank you.